So you may have noticed that there is some overlap with our shapes, right? Polygons can be quadrilaterals, squares can be rhombuses and rectangles. So let me show you what exactly this looks like. So we've got squares, right? Square. And squares are both a rhombus because we have 4 equal sides, right? So squares are a rhombus, and they're also a rectangle because they have those 4 right angles, right? So squares are both a rhombus and a rectangle. But then rhombuses, squares, and rectangles are all parallelograms. Because look, if I drew a line here, it would never crisscross with this line. Same thing with this pair. These two would never crisscross with each other. These ones wouldn't crisscross. These two pairs, these sides, neither would these. They go in a straight line. They're never gonna crisscross like this. Same thing with a square. So a square, a rhombus, and a rectangle are all parallelograms. Then, all of these, what do you notice about these? A rectangle, a square, a rhombus, and a parallelogram all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So that makes all of them, what was that really fancy Q word that we had? Quadrilateral. They're all quadrilaterals. So squares, rhombuses, rectangles, parallelograms are all quadrilaterals. A square is both a rhombus and a rectangle. Rectangles, squares, and rhombuses are all parallelograms. And then we have our crazy little friend, our trapezoid, which only fits into the quadrilateral category because he's got 4 sides and 4 vertices, but his lines are not parallel.